Hello. I'd like to say a few words about my cooperation with Professors Gurovsky and Kasyanov. It started about 14 years ago when Professor Zgurovsky introduced me to Professor Kasyanov, and his student Nina Zadayanchuk, and I started to work on the area of Markov decision processes dealing with problems with general state and action sets. And we wrote a paper that turned out to be very fundamental and was published in 2012 in Mathematics of Operation Research, and currently is used by many researchers. So it has more than 150 citations. And in that paper, we also discovered several new mathematical facts that led to our, that provided us with new tools to make additional analysis, and also these tools are useful in many applications. In general, the theory of Markov decision processes is important from 2 points of view. First of all, it is very fundamental and relevant to some mathematical problems. And second, it is used in numerous applications. And the most important one is that it is used in, it is a major tool for the methods in artificial intelligence called reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning deals with approximate solutions of Markov decision processes. Following that paper, we worked on problems with incomplete information, and Professors Kasyanov and Zgurovsky and myself, we wrote several papers. In general, our group jointly wrote about 30 papers. And in papers with incomplete information, we developed a very general theory, and eventually it linked statistical filtering with reinforcement learning. We developed methods that are new for both of these fields. We also worked on game theory, which is decision-making by multiple agents, and published several results, including a paper in Naval Research of Logistics. What's more important, that even in 2012, we realized that our results can be used in other fields, and we published papers on analysis on so-called Berge maximum theorem, and also on so-called Fatout lemma. And both these results are important for applications to optimization, decision-making, and control of and operations in variable environments. In particular, we worked on various applications, including applications to biology. And also one of the fields where the fields that use our results include artificial intelligence, where the results are used for evaluating neural networks, and for quantum computing. So over the years, many other people were involved in our joint work, and essentially currently we are members of two consortiums. One is dealing with applications to decision-making, artificial intelligence, risk, and this research is funded by the United States Office of Naval Research, their mathematical program. And another group is working on applications to biology, to molecular dynamics, and it is funded by by National Science Foundation and by National Institute of Health. I would say that the work with my Ukrainian colleague was very productive, and in spite of drastic events, it was very pleasant to deal with them. So I would like to thank them for our joint and productive and continuing cooperation. Thank you. Bye-bye.